Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing variables. Unplug the G923 and any hubs, then power off your PC or console for a full 30 seconds. Next, install or update Logitech G923 so the wheel has current drivers. This step fixes many firmware mismatches that kill force feedback. Once done, reconnect the wheel directly to a rear USB port or a powered port on console. Make sure the power adapter is secure. This immediate cleanup eliminates common connection and software version conflicts. Now calibrate. Open GHUB or console controller settings and run automatic calibration to align sensors and spring centering, because misalignment prevents torque output. Then set force feedback strength initially to 100%. This verifies the motor can produce full torque, and gradually reduce to your comfort level so you don't mask weak feedback. Also make sure no other controller profiles or third-party apps are overriding settings. Disable them to let the wheel's firmware control motors directly. Finish by running a force feedback test in a simulator or the game's telemetry mode to confirm motor response, because practical testing reveals intermittent faults. If you still have no force feedback, reflash the wheel firmware using a direct USB connection and the Logitech firmware tool, since corrupted firmware often kills the motor output. If problems persist after reflashing, swap USB cables and try another PC. If that fails, reach out to Logitech support or arrange a warranty repair. These steps isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.